The Châu Đốc Cần Thơ Sóc Trăng Expressway Project Management Board said that by the end of May, the progress of implementing the bidding packages was low, about 3% only. The main issue is that the contractors working on the project are struggling to find suitable sand sources for leveling and construction. The sand from Hậu River in Cần Thơ City contains many organic impurities and mud, making unsuitable for highway design and not meeting the project's requirement. As a result, since the project's inception, contractors have not only been able to construct the bridge and road sections. Due to the lack of suitable sand for leveling, they have only carried out organic dredging and site cleanup. The initial mine reserves in An Giang province are estimated at 3,285 million cubic meter, but survey records indicate that only about 2.3 to 2.4 million cubic meter is usable for the project.